Plant FAQs. Anthurium moodeanum. Anthurium moodeanum. Unveiling the dark beauty. Hi, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Anthurium moodeanum, a rare aroid that boasts a striking presence. This isn't your average houseplant. Let's explore what makes the moodeanum so special and answer some of the most common questions you might have. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsterholic.com. What is Anthurium moodeanum? The Anthurium moodeanum is a captivating aroid species native to the tropical rainforests of New Guinea. Unlike its vibrantly colored cousins, the moodeanum stuns with its deep, almost metallic-looking, maroon foliage. This dark beauty features heart-shaped leaves that transition from a vibrant pink during their early stages to a mesmerizing olive green as they mature. The texture also changes, starting with a semi-gloss sheen that evolves into a more subtle eggshell finish. Even the roots hold a touch of magic. The vibrant pink color adds another layer of visual intrigue to this already captivating plant. New growth boasts a stunning display of deep maroon hues, making the moodeanum a showstopper at every stage of development. Anthurium moodeanum versus Anthurium clarinervium dark form. Unveiling the similarities and differences. Often confused with its close relative, the Anthurium clarinervium dark form, the moodeanum possesses some key distinctions. Both boast captivating dark foliage, but the moodeanum's leaves tend to be a deeper, more dramatic shade of maroon. The clarinervium dark form leans towards a more burgundy hue. Additionally, the moodeanum's leaves have a smoother, less pronounced veining pattern compared to the clarinervium's prominent veins. Another key difference lies in their growth habit. The moodeanum is generally considered a more vigorous grower compared to the clarinervium dark form. This translates to a faster-growing plant that rewards you with its captivating presence more quickly. How to care for Anthurium moodeanum. Now that you're smitten with the moodeanum's allure, let's delve into caring for this beauty. Here's what you need to know to keep your plant thriving. Light. The moodeanum prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture without letting the soil become soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. As a native of the rainforest, the moodeanum appreciates high humidity levels, ideally around 60 to 80%. Consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your moodeanum to sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids. Ingredients like orchid bark, perlite, and cocoa coir provide excellent drainage and aeration for the roots. Fertilizer. During its active growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your moodeanum with a diluted balanced fertilizer once a month. Avoid fertilizing during winter. With proper care, your Anthurium moodeanum will reward you with its captivating presence for years to come. Anthurium moodeanum, a collector's dream or beginner's nightmare. The allure of the moodeanum is undeniable, but is it suitable for everyone? While not the most high-maintenance plant, it does require some specific care considerations. Here's a breakdown to help you decide if it's the right fit. For beginners, the moodeanum's specific humidity needs might pose a challenge for those new to plant care. Maintaining consistent moisture without overwatering can be tricky for beginners. For experienced plant parents, the moodeanum's fast-growing nature provides a sense of accomplishment as you witness its captivating foliage unfold. The challenge of providing the right environment fosters a deeper connection with your plant. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal comfort level and experience. Where to find your Anthurium moodeanum? Due to its rarity, acquiring an Anthurium moodeanum might require some searching. Here are some potential avenues. Online plant retailers. Several online plant retailers specialize in rare aroids, so keep an eye out for listings featuring the moodeanum. Plant shows and events. Attending plant shows and events allows you to connect with a wider range of sellers who might have the moodeanum in stock. Local plant enthusiast groups. Joining online communities or local plant enthusiast groups can provide leads on where to find this coveted aroid. Anthurium moodeanum versus Chamberlainii. Anthurium moodeanum is recognized for its elongated leaves and prominent veins, while Anthurium Chamberlainii stands out with its heart-shaped leaves and distinctive silver venation. Anthurium moodeanum. A final note. The Anthurium moodeanum is a captivating plant that adds a touch of drama and intrigue to any indoor space. While it requires some specific care, the rewards are well worth the effort. With a little dedication, you can cultivate this captivating aroid and witness its mesmerizing beauty unfold.